Hello everybody and welcome to Battle Royale. Okay. Welcome to I can't. When there's a lot of pressure on you, I can't see. When there's a lot of pressure on you when your first video on. So, we are in Clash Royale, and what I'm going to be doing is simply just play games and just be good, okay? Sound Gucci, fam? Yeah. Subscribe, sell out, yeah. So I wanna chest, and these are my decks. This is my legendary deck right here, and yeah. So I'm gonna be using this deck today. Comment if you guys are watching, and also comment if what deck I should use. And I'm only in Arena 8, but I have been to Arena 9. I have this. Okay, I'll show you my deck. This is all I have. Okay. All I have. So you can just go through that and see what you want me to make out. Let's go into a game. Okay, let's try this. He has a no clan. Wait, this kid's about to get wrecked. Okay. So I play aggressiveness. So what is he gonna do? What is he gonna push with? He's gonna go Skyfield. Okay. I'm gonna put first summons there. Something like that. I'm gonna go like Alright. There he is. He's gonna with the 6 push right here. It looks well. Wait, it looks well. He's on zap. He did not get the bandit. So that is gonna do a lot of damage to the tower here. Okay, ready? I'm not scared of those. Goblin Bear, that. What does he have? What is he gonna place down? I wonder. He can place down Fire Spirit. Okay. I'm gonna have Princess go in there and hopefully do damage. He has minions. Okay, I'm just gonna air those away because I don't want damage to my tower, you know. Just gotta be super careful. Nope, mate. Get him, skeleton. In the hands of an angel. Okay. 2 of these, which one? Once he places, I'm gonna go because then he's gonna waste elixir. That's what I want to do. Okay. Okay. He's gonna go Goblins there. I just got a rolling. Oh no. Ha. Concerned. Go. Push, do something. Yes. Back off, you demon. Okay, I'm gonna elixir that, fire that. He's gonna go hallway. He's gonna zap that. I know he is. Oh. Get him there. Yes. Barely even a hit. Let's go, boys. Not my princess going there. Hopefully just do some damage, you know. Okay. He's gonna go mini pecker. Okay, we're gonna that. Whoa. What am I feeling there? What is he gonna do? He has nothing to do. He's gonna mini pecker that. Could I? Oh, what? Know that. Okay, I'm gonna rush in here. Mini pack over there. Bandit. Oh, and that is gonna be GG all around. There we go. And so, going Gucci with it. Okay, we're gonna get that chest. I just need to check something. Okay. Don't worry. This video, no pressure at all. Only like. Okay. We ended up getting a double chest there, and Doing pretty well. Pretty well. Okay. I don't really know what to do, so we're gonna do 2 more matches. Then I think I'm gonna call that a video. Sound Gucci? Okay, why not? Let's go in 2v2s. Okay. I feel like it, like, you know. Let's go. This guy E-Wiz. I'm actually awkward in this. Question mark? What? Boy, oh crap, Lord Almighty. Oh my God, Lord. Oh no, oh no, oh no. What is this? Where did this come out of? We got eating. Oh my God. Go. Oh my God. Yeah, my, oh, you said. Whoop. Oh my God. Well, yeah, he's like, nope. He's like, get out of here. We can play one more, and that's gonna be it, guys. So I'm gonna keep this video short because I have stuff to do. Yeah, I need to. Oh, this guy. See. Alright, let's go over here. What is he gonna do? Is he gonna do it? He's gonna princess over there, so that means I'm gonna. Oh no! Oh no! I didn't see that. Oh, choke. Cough. Choke. Wink. This is Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's in there. So I can play another one for you guys. So let's see how it's cracking. Okay. Ready for this savagery? Oh! But then real quick there. We're gonna shake it with that. Ah! What the heck? What is this? Oh no. Kona is seed, whatever said, the stuff they said. Food down. What the crap? This person's like, damn. Get him, Bandit. Get him. Whip him. Dash him, get him. Dash him, there we go. Shank. Okay, got Shanks in. Princess, shoot. There you go. I'm gonna go double princess right there. That. We got a mortar down. Oh, hell no. Okay. We got a tower. There's 60 seconds left. Triple up that stuff. Sweep the floor. I'm gonna sweep the floor right now. Oh, I need arrows now. Please. Yes, okay. We got princess. We just cleared the floor. I swapped it. I'm gonna get rid of that. And then push over there. Oh! That was it. Gotta give myself that. I gotta give myself a pat on the back for that. Okay, pat on the back for that. Okay. Clearly, like, you can't just savagely do that. You gotta learn in your brain and bones, kids. Did double do a win? Aw, but we pulled out the win, guys. I'll see you later. It is my life up in here, and we are simply. I'm gonna post other videos, so See you guys later. Bye.